I have a lot of people that come to see me for a lot of anxiety and mood disorders and depression. And part of a depressive episode is losing interest in things. And if you guys remember when you were kids, we found wonder in everything. As we grow and we get older, we tend to become a little bit cynical and we lose that sense of wonder. So when I have patients, clients that come to me and they're experiencing depression and anxiety and mood disorders, and my suggestion to them is reflect on your past interests. Think back. Think back to when you were younger. Did you want to learn how to play the guitar or the piano? Did you want to learn how to sing? Did you want to learn how to draw? Did you want to collect stamps? I don't know, but maybe you had something in your life that you really enjoyed, that you found really interesting. So think back and take yourself back to that point in your life. The second thing, explore your passions. What do you think used to make you feel alive? And then the third one is what we also do as we grow up. Make sure that you're open to try new things because we tend to close off. We tend to be guarded as we grow. So try to open yourself up a little bit and push some boundaries a little bit with your comfort level in that respect. Another one is assess your skills. Everybody is good at something out there, even though you might be hard on yourself and say that you're not, you probably are. So do a little bit of self-assessment. You might actually involve your family or friends in this discussion. With learning a new skill or improving an old skill, there comes joy and there comes a feeling of accomplishment. And that's unbelievably helpful in our psychological well-being. So two more, I'm gonna give you two more here. Number one is volunteer. There's something about volunteering, being part of a bigger picture, being a piece of something that has a bigger end. The final one is when you start to catch on to something that you have a passion for or potentially have a skill for, now comes the fun part. We have so much access now via the internet, so read and research. Start by reading and researching, and the amount of information out there that you're gonna find about this potential passion or skill can be tremendous. Those steps will really guide you. If you follow them, they will really guide you to open up your world, develop some more passions, develop some hobbies, get involved in the community, and ultimately just be